Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral infection in human beings. In a few year time, it has become the most rapidly spreading international public health problem, particularly in urban and semi-urban areas of tropical and subtropical region of the world. More than 50 million people are in connect with the disease each year. This disease had also known as break-born fever. Name of the disease most probably is derived from a Swahili word dinga, which means evil spirit. Swahili is spoken in many East and North African countries. Dengue is a Spanish word meaning careful. It might have been used because a person suffering from severe pain in bone and joints move carefully. Classification of the disease. This disease has four types. Undifferentiated fever, where very mild symptom like flu, cold or negligible fever occurs. Dengue fever with clear symptom of high fever, headache, severe pain in joints and rashes on skin, etc. Dengue hemorrhage fever, it involves high fever with spontaneous bleeding from capillaries. Dengue shock syndrome, more serious symptom of high fever and shock, very low blood pressure, weak pulse, difficult to detect. Dengue history, the first reported epidemics of dengue fever occurred in 1779 to 1718 in Asia, Africa and North America almost simultaneously. At the time, dengue virus and vector mosquitoes had a worldwide distribution in the tropics and subtropics. Aedes aegypti was identified as a vector of dengue virus in 1905. A global pandemic of dengue began in Southeast Asia after World War II. It has intensified during the last 2 decades in many countries. Sri Lanka, India and Maldives Island had their first major DHF epidemics in 1980s. In Pakistan, cases of dengue fever were first reported in 1994 from Karachi. Since then, its victims are increasing in different regions of the country. In 2011, situation has become alarming in Lahore. Like symptoms, almost the people infected with dengue virus, about 80% have only mild symptom of unaccomplished fever. When mild undifferentiated symptom appear without any rash, it can be misdiagnosed as flu or some other viral infection. Less than 5% have severe illness, which may be life-threatening in a small portion. The common symptom of dengue fever usually appear within 4 to 7 days after infection. These may include high fever, chill, rash, severe headache, especially behind the eyes. Dengue is named break-born fever due to severe muscles and joint pain. Other symptoms are dizziness, fatigue, weakness, loss of appetite, nausea, persistent vomiting and headache. However, symptoms vary from person to another person. Phases of symptom. The course of infection is divided into 3 phases: febrile phases, critical phases and recovery phase. Febrile phases, it usually lasts 4 to 7 days from the beginning of the illness. In this phase, the temperature of the patient may rise above 100 to Fahrenheit scale with generalized pain and headache. Some patient may have sore throat. It is difficult to distinguish dengue from non-dengue in early febrile phase. A positive Thornicus test increases the positive probability of dengue. Rash appear in 50 to 80% patient initially as flushed skin, but after 4 to 7 days, as measles like rash, when skin is pressed, capillaries are broken, tiny red spot appear on skin. Mild bleeding may occur from nose and gums. In some patients, gastrointestinal bleeding also occur. The liver often enlarge after a few days. The number of platelets and white blood cells progressively decrease. After about 2 to 3 days, the symptom of the disease subside, fever drop and patients sweat profusely. Critical phase. In some cases, the disease moves to a critical phase. It usually lasts for 1 to 2 days. The temperature drops to normal on day 3 to 7 of illness. The permeability of capillaries increases. Fluid plasma leak for 24 to 48 hours and accumulate in the chest and abdominal cavities. Platelets level further decrease. It increases the leakage of plasma from the blood capillaries. This leads to decrease of fluid in circulation, hence decrease of blood supply to vital organ, liver, kidney, heart. May cause organ severe bleeding, low heart rate and low blood pressure. Dengue hemorrhagic fever and dengue shock syndrome occur in less than 5% of cases. Dengue hemorrhagic fever is characterized by high fever, headache, small purplish spot on skin due to leakage of blood from capillaries, abdominal pain, vomiting with blood due to bleeding in stomach. People with a low immunity or with secondary infection are at the greater risk of developing DHF. A small portion of DHF cases may lead to dengue shock syndrome. DSS can damage body organ like heart, kidney due to low blood supply. Recovery phase. Recovery phase lasts for 2 to 3 days. During this phase, reabsorption of leaked fluid into the bloodstream take place. Empty return bleeding, nausea and vomiting decrease, large urine output occur. Plasma level is restored, white blood cells and platelets start increasing. Fever and other symptoms rarely last for more than 7 days. Comparison with malaria. Malaria, mosquito, anopheles and dengue fever Aedes aegypti infection organism Plasmodium. Malaria में like Plasmodium in malaria Plasmodium and dengue fever Den virus. Symptom in malaria severe chills with goose flesh and shivering with high fever, general headache, and dengue fever headache and high fever and chill, especially behind the